This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Penny Klein. Don't let this opportunity pass to own an income-producing unit while living in the other home. Main bungalow has 2 bedrooms that could easily be converted back to 3 bedrooms. Upstairs apartment has 2 bedrooms. Sellers have recently installed central heat and air in main house. Roofing and windows have been replaced in the last 5 years. Main bathroom was updated 2016. Inside utility room and main house. Upstairs apartment has the utility in the 1-car garage. Perfect setup for family aging parents, income producing property, or parents with college-age adults that need their own space. Let one unit pay your house payment. Possibilities are endless. Come see this gem. For more information, review the details below.